Racer Machinery International, a Canadian company, is a leading OEM tool builder at the forefront of precision manufacturing. We specialize in designing and manufacturing customized tools and equipment, driving innovation and empowering industries across North America. With a legacy of excellence, Racer Machinery International combines Canadian craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. Our dedicated team of professionals brings together expertise, experience, and a passion for engineering to deliver world-class solutions that meet the highest standards of accuracy, performance, and reliability. As innovators in the industry, we constantly push boundaries and embrace emerging technologies to deliver advanced solutions. Our commitment to innovation allows us to stay ahead, providing our customers with the tools they need to stay competitive and succeed in a dynamic manufacturing landscape. We take pride in our ability to offer customization options, recognizing that every business has unique requirements. By closely collaborating with our customers, we tailor our tools and equipment to their exact specifications, ensuring optimal performance and efficiency. Choose Racer Machinery International as your trusted Canadian OEM tool builder. Experience the difference of our Canadian craftsmanship and ingenuity.